Everybody, welcome back. I am here to do a little photography thing that I've got going on, that I've had, and I got a girl's version and a boy's version. So this is what I have so far. I've got a list of stuff on a paper of stuff that I look at Pinterest all the time for newborn photos and stuff. And I'm like, the last thing was the beds, the little beds. And I had a girl one, and I don't know if you've seen that yet, if it's been up yet, but I got a girl one. A couple of things I don't have here right now are my fall bucket. It looks like a water bucket or apple bucket kind of thing, and it's buried. I have to unbury it and get all this stuff together. I do have a little Christmas tree that I put up here. That is put away. I don't have that right now. I mean, there's a couple of things I have, but they're not here. But I'm going to show you so far what I have. The big one right here is, I need to go get it cleaned again. I need to go up and have it cleaned, is a Tonka truck. It's not like the yellow old ones that you see, but it is a Tonka truck, and you can lay the baby. You can move this over to the side, and you can lay the baby in here. And I have I had several of these little cars. I got to pick up a couple more because I don't know where they went. But to do little, you know, if you're laying down the baby or whatever. So I do have this one. And it's touching spider webs, yuck. So there's my little Tonka truck, and it says Tonka right here. One of my friends gave it to me. And I'll put that down here because it's heavy. I have this basket. I put an old pillow usually in here, and I'll show you the old pillow. I should probably cover it because it looks awful, and it's old pillow, and I just set it in here so you can set the baby, you know, up like that. So I have this old pillow to put in here, and you can cover it or whatever. So I have that. Here is some backdrops, like I can put up here so it hangs down, or I can put it on the ground and use a ladder and take a picture looking down. I have, and you can use some of these for a girl too. I have a panel from the sewing place, and it's Winnie the Pooh and Piglet. So I can set the baby like on the grass kind of thing right here, or I can just use it as a backdrop behind him. So look for panels at your sewing place, and I think they're not very expensive. I think they're less than $5 usually. So I have a Winnie the Pooh, and I have a Disney. This is an old sheet that I had for my kids when they were little, and I just undid because it was a one of those fitted ones. So you like my little, this is one of the girls' little things, but my hair looks awful, so I thought I'd dress it up. So here is Mickey and Minnie Mouse and the babies of Donald Duck and everything. So if you want to do a Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse thing, I do have like some red striped material that you could use if you just want to use Mickey, you know. I have a piece of cow material that's way cute to do like a western. I don't have a little cowboy hat, so I gotta find, there's little things that I make a list, so if I go to a thrift store, stuff flying around, I can find that usually. I've got a green backdrop for fall. I have a photography computer backdrop stuff, but I don't like them. I don't know, I just don't. I'd rather do something I have. And this is really pretty. This is a woodsy with the eagle. So that's real cute. This is a pretty big piece of material. I've got that. I love this one. This one is just like Blue Cloud, so a newborn picture. You can use that. And then I got a piece of brown material that you can use. I need to find like the brown. I've got the white rug right here, but I need to find like a brown and maybe a pastel-y color for a girl. Here's another Winnie the Pooh piece of fabric right here. There's Winnie the Pooh. And underneath my table here is where I keep all this stuff, so it's out of the way. And I have a floral like round hat box that I use for the girls that I put this material in. And this one I wish it was brown, but it's not, it's black. But it looks like a piece of wood. So you can drape this, you know. I do have some poster board that looks like wood, you know, so I have that. And then I just found that this is a shawl, has a hole in it, you know, it's a little shawl, but it's black and it has some really frilly on it, and I thought that I could put it, you know, in here or something, fix it so this is on the outside of here or whatever. So this is something I just picked up from the thrift store. And then I picked up this. I'm gonna go back and I think I can make 2. Actually, there's 4 in here, the little crowns. So I can do it. I've got some pretty like floral, like, they're not beads, but you can decorate on them. So I think that'll be a fun project I can have Ariel do or something. But I can put some like gold ones on here for the boy and some pink and whatever for the girl. So I grabbed those because that's going to be a little project that we can do. I have this little bit, the handle broke, it had a handle that went over and it broke in one spot, so I just cut it off. So I have one flat basket that we can, you know, you can do a flower arrangement around it and, you know, endless possibilities of this. I have several teddy bears. I have this one and it says he or she. This is a little, I have a big huge teddy bear. I have different sized teddy bears. I have one of those baby bottles that stuff comes in. I have one of those that I can use. I have several of these little bears. So there's one that I saw that I liked, and I did do a picture of one of the babies with it, is a big bear and a bunch of little bears around it and the baby laying in there. So I have a bunch of bears. I have a little bunny for like Easter. This is a boy version, little bunny. And I have a bag under here that has animals in it. This is so cute. I didn't know I had a football. I was going to buy one next time I went to Dollar Tree because they have the little basketball base. You can find the little balls. I'm still probably going to get it. But this one does hurrah. But I thought this would be cute for a picture too. So we have that. This I just picked up. This is cute. This is little ears. And it says Great Wolf Lodge. So I don't know if this is a baby wolf or baby bear. I don't know. It's cute anyway. So I have that for them. I picked up this little tie. It's a little clip-on tie. So cute. Look at how little that is. And it's gray. So that's cute. And I just made this because I saw a bunch of pictures with these kind of hats with the babies. And I wanted to do one for a boy. Oh, they're so cute. I might make another one for a girl because I have like this mauve color and I still have some white. So maybe I'll make a mauve and white one too. So that would be cute. So I have that. I have a little doggy. Every boy needs a picture with a doggy. I do have a Mickey and a Minnie. So here's the Mickey. Oh, excuse me. I do have a glove. I wish it was brown. It's not brown. And a baseball for a sports. I need to find a little bat. So this is a T-ball glove. I have that. And then I have several of Antlers, but this is one that is all together that you can do videos with. If you have hunting friends, maybe they can go scavenger hunting and find you some. But I have like 4. I have these, and I have 2 more that I can use. I have a piece of wood from outside. Piece of wood. And then I have the bed my husband made for me. This is for the boy version. It's so cute. My girl one has floral all over it. And this is the boy version of that bed. And I just put down, I have some army looking stuff. So I just put that down there. I'm going to try to find some of this fuzzy stuff. Find some more of this and get brown or get some deer skin or whatever to put on here. So for now, there's my little boy photography stuff. I hope that helps some of you if you're looking or considering doing some of that with your babies or your grandchildren or whatever. You don't need much of a space, just some cute little stuff, and most everybody has stuff lying around. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you again soon. Bye now.